Do you ever feel overwhelmed by all the stuff in your home? The piles of clothes, the overflowing shelves, the things you don't even use? Imagine waking up in a clutter-free home where everything has a purpose, and your mind feels clear and stress-free. Sounds amazing, right? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start your minimalist lifestyle, even if you're a beginner. Welcome to Minimal Earth Life. You might wonder what it is all about if you're new to minimalism. Minimalism isn't just about getting rid of things. It's a mindset shift. It's about choosing quality over quantity, simplifying your life, and focusing on what truly matters. By embracing minimalism, you can experience less stress, more mental clarity, financial freedom, and a greater sense of purpose. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about making room for the things, people, and experiences that bring you joy. Ready to start your minimalist journey? Let's begin. Before we start decluttering and simplifying, here are a few things you'll need to begin your minimalist journey. First, a willing mindset. Minimalism starts with a decision. Be open to letting go of things that no longer serve you. Second, storage boxes or bags. You'll need these to sort items into categories: keep, donate, recycle, or sell. Third, a planning tool. Whether a simple notebook or a digital app, tracking your progress will keep you motivated. And finally, a little time and patience. Minimalism doesn't happen overnight. It's a process, and small steps lead to big changes. Now that you're prepared, let's break it down step by step. Now that you're ready to embrace minimalism, let's walk through a simple step-by-step process for beginning your minimalist lifestyle. Setup 1. Assess your belongings. Start by walking through each room and mentally inventory everything you own. The key question here is, do I use this? Does it add value to my life? If the answer is no, it's time to rethink whether it belongs in your life. A good rule of thumb, if it hasn't been used in the last 6 months to a year, it probably doesn't need to stay. Declutter one category at a time. Break it down into manageable categories instead of trying to declutter everything at once. You can start with one area: clothes, books, kitchen items, or even digital files. Concentrating on a single category helps reduce overwhelm and allows you to maintain your momentum. As you go through each item, stay focused and methodical. Pro tip: you could start with something smaller, like your wardrobe or kitchen drawers, often offering the quickest wins. Use the 3-box method. Label 3 boxes or bags. Keep, donate or sell, and recycle. As you assess your items, please place them in the appropriate box. This system allows for quick decisions and clarifies what stays and what goes. Pro tip: if you're unsure about anything, give it a trial period. If it doesn't serve you during that period, it's time to let it go. Adopt the 1-year rule. If you haven't used an item in the last year, it's a good sign you don't need it. This rule can make parting with belongings easier, especially for sentimental items you may not have used. It encourages you to think more pragmatically about what's truly necessary. Pro tip: keep a maybe pile for things you're unsure about. Revisit this pile after a week, and you may be ready to let go. Once you've decluttered, the next step is organizing what remains. A minimalist space isn't just about getting rid of things. It's about organizing in a way that promotes simplicity and functionality. Clear surfaces, neutral colors, and intentional decor will help create a calm environment that aligns with your minimalist lifestyle. Pro tip: keep surfaces clear and focus on ensuring that everything in your space has a place and purpose. Minimalism is not just about decluttering. It's also about being mindful of future accumulation. Before buying anything new, ask yourself, do I need this? Will it add value to my life? Practice intentional shopping by waiting before making a purchase. This will help you avoid impulse buys and maintain a minimalist lifestyle. Pro tip: consider keeping a wish list instead of buying impulsively. Wait 30 days before buying something on the list. Often you'll realize you don't need it. Minimalism is a journey, not a destination. Take it one step at a time and enjoy the process of simplifying your life. Now let's see minimalism in action. I'll walk you through a quick demonstration of decluttering a small space. Step 1. Take everything out. Start by removing all items from your shelf, drawer, or desk. This will help you see everything you own and make decision-making easier. Step 2. Sort items into categories. Use the 3-box method, one for keeping, one for donating or selling, and one for recycling or discarding. Be honest about what truly serves a purpose in your life. Step 3. Organize with intention. Once you've decided what stays, organize and visually calmly arrange things. Avoid overfilling shelves and keep only the essentials. Step 4. Appreciate the transformation. Step back and notice how much lighter and more peaceful your space feels. Now that you've taken the first step and started decluttering, you might wonder how you can maintain this minimalist lifestyle for the long run. Don't worry. Here are a few simple yet powerful tips to keep your space clear and your mind even clearer. Follow the one-in, one-out rule. Commit to removing one item for every new item you bring into your home. This is a revolutionary solution for preventing clutter from accumulating. It forces you to be mindful about what you need and prevents the accumulation of things you don't. Pro tip. Consider starting with the most cluttered areas in your home, like your closet or kitchen, and apply the rule to your purchases. Set boundaries on shopping. Before buying anything new, take a moment to reflect. Do I truly need this? Will it improve my quality of life? This simple question helps you avoid impulse purchases. Pro tip: try the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before buying something non-essential. Often you'll realize you didn't need it after all. Create a daily reset routine. Spending just 5 to 10 minutes tidying up daily can make a difference. A quick daily reset keeps clutter from getting out of hand and ensures a calm, clear space to work or relax. Pro tip: use a timer for a short cleaning session and break it into small tasks to make it less overwhelming. Simplify your digital life. Minimalism isn't just about the physical stuff. Your digital space can get cluttered too. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails, delete apps you don't use, and organize your digital files. This will reduce stress and make it easier to find what you need. Pro tip: create a digital decluttering schedule once a month to keep your phone and computer organized. Prioritize quality over quantity. It's tempting to accumulate many cheap items, but focusing on fewer, higher-quality pieces that will last longer and serve you better is better. Quality over quantity helps keep your environment calm and intentional. Pro tip: when buying something new, ask yourself if it will stand the test of time. Will it add lasting value to your life? Remember, minimalism is a journey, not a destination. It's about being intentional with what you own and focusing on what truly matters. Starting a minimalist lifestyle isn't always easy. You might run into some roadblocks, but don't worry, you're not alone. Let's tackle some common challenges and how to overcome them. Emotional attachment to items. It's hard to let go of sentimental things. Ask yourself, does this item serve a purpose or is it just taking up space? If it holds memories, consider taking a photo before letting it go. Fear of needing something later. Decluttering can bring up the "what if I need this" feeling. You won't need it if you haven't used it in the last year. Try the maybe box method. Store uncertain items in a box and donate them if you don't reach for them in 6 months. Feeling overwhelmed. Decluttering an entire home is a big task. Instead of trying to do everything at once, start small. 1 drawer, 1 shelf, or even just 10 minutes a day. Progress is better than perfection. Dealing with family members who aren't on board. Minimalism is personal, and not everyone in your household may be ready. Lead by example. Show them the benefits of a clutter-free space rather than forcing them to declutter. Minimalism is about progress, not perfection. You'll face challenges, but every small step gets you closer to a simpler, more intentional life. You've taken the first steps toward a minimalist lifestyle. By now, you understand how decluttering can bring clarity, peace, and more freedom into your life. Remember, minimalism isn't about having nothing. It's about making space for what truly matters. Whether it's more time, less stress, or financial freedom, This lifestyle is designed to help you live intentionally. Start with small steps, stay consistent, and enjoy the process. Minimalism is a journey, not a destination. Now it's your turn. Get challenged to start decluttering one small space today. Your desk, a drawer, or even your phone. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's the hardest thing for you to let go of? Or, what's the first thing you plan to declutter? Let's support each other on this journey. And if you're ready for more minimalist tips, check out our channel for more videos. It's packed with simple ways to keep your space clutter-free. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video on simple living. See you next time on Minimal Earth Life.